Today, marketing departments have to continuously test and reevaluate their current activities, as well as experiment with new tactics, channels, and strategies. But when is the right time to stop a test and take action on the learnings, all while avoiding wasting budgets? Basing your decisions on average numbers only, like average click-through rate, cost per click, or return on advertising spend, will cause one of the following problems. Either you were looking at the numbers too early and your sample size is too small to be representative. In this case, the numbers will lead to bad decisions. Or your sample size is sufficient and you can make the right decisions based on your data, but in this case, you have wasted parts of your marketing budget because you overspent on poor-performing variations. That is why it's best practice not to use average numbers, but statistical analysis for decision-making. Statistics can tell you at which point in time you have enough data gathered to trust your numbers. The current industry standard for this is the frequentist approach, better known as A/B significance testing. Significance tells you with a certain confidence that the observed effect did not happen by chance. The problem with significance testing is that it's abstract, indirect, and data-hungry. In practice, it's limited to testing only 2 variations at once, requires big budgets and the involvement of data scientists. Luckily, there is a solution to all these problems: Bayesian statistics. Using Bayesian statistical methods, we can model the distribution of the results and quantify their probability. The more data is collected, the tighter the distribution curve and the more credible the average. Trimming the curve and cutting off the long tail at the right and left end defines a so-called credible interval. A 95% credible interval contains 95% of all probable values. Although widely known and recognized by the data science community, only recent advancements in machine learning and computational power have made Bayesian statistics viable for marketing analytics. Our experimentation engine Quantify introduces this approach to marketing analytics and computes probability distributions in real time. As soon as the results are credible enough, Quantify automatically draws meaningful conclusions. Quantify's Bayesian approach provides 4 powerful advantages. Practically, you are not limited to the number of variations you can test at once, like with significance testing. You can peek into results at any given time to spot early issues or trends. It's easy to understand the results, even without a statistical background. Credible intervals summarize your results' probability distributions. For example, Quantify may tell you that the cost per conversion for a variation lies between $1.15 and $1.30 with a 95% probability, and that it performs between 32 and 41% better than other variations. No need to involve a data scientist. Most importantly, Quantify is up to 10 times more cost and time efficient compared to significance testing. It requires 60 to 90% fewer observations or spend to generate meaningful conclusions. So you can test and learn roughly 10 times as much with the same budget and ultimately outpace your competition. Our flagship product Quantify is the first out-of-the-box analytic solution that applies Bayesian statistics to generate actionable insights across all kinds of external marketing data. Connect your marketing data sources to Quantify and start making better decisions immediately. Quantify does not only efficiently test new targeting strategies, channels, creatives, or any other campaign aspect, but also extracts valuable insights from existing marketing activities. Our clients use Quantify successfully to run agile, always-on experimentation that amplifies continuous testing and campaign optimization across all channels and media platforms. With metrics tailored to your specific attribution and value chains, automated data updates, notifications, alerts, and many additional enterprise features, Quantify integrates seamlessly into your existing marketing tech stack. Get in touch, talk to one of our specialists, and elevate your marketing game to the next level at metrics.io.